Today, we will introduce you to Pathways for Planning, also known as P4P. Pathways for Planning is a map-based planning application developed by the Transportation and Mobility Planning Division. It equips transportation planners and engineers with the tools to view, query, export, and analyze planning data across the statewide transportation network. This includes road classification systems, traffic characteristics, safety data, studies, and recommended improvements. The primary purpose of Pathways for Planning is to eliminate the need for end users to have specialized GIS knowledge to understand the linear referencing system for visualizing and analyzing GIS planning data. Additionally, Pathways for Planning facilitates the sharing of planning documents from MPOs, PDCs, and localities, such as comprehensive plans, bicycle plans, corridor plans, and area master plans, thereby enhancing accessibility to planning information among planners and agencies. Although Pathway for Planning is a permission-based GIS planning application, it serves both internal and external users, offering a flexible platform to create, manage, and share data accessible to planning partners, including MPOs, PDCs, and localities. Today, we'll guide you through accessing Pathways for Planning. Start by visiting the P4P homepage at v.p4p.com and clicking on Sign Up at the bottom of the page. You'll need to provide your first and last name, middle name if applicable, email, organization, and a message. Be sure to select Request Access as the subject before submitting. Shortly after, you will receive an email from P4P containing a link to create your password. This password must be at least 8 characters long, include a minimum of 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase letters, 2 numbers, and 2 special characters, then click Submit. Once your account is set up, return to the P4P homepage and log in. You may choose to select Remember Me to save your login details for future visits. If you ever forget your password, simply click Forgot Password on the login page, enter your registered email address, and follow the link in the email you received to reset your password. For further assistance, visit the homepage again and click Contact Us or use the Chats button if you are logged in. Select Other as the subject and type your question. A P4P administrator will respond to your inquiry via email. Next, we will introduce you to the various modules of Pathways for Planning. P4P features 7 specialized modules, each tailored to specific planning and data management needs. First, View Module. The View Module serves as the central interface for accessing and analyzing Geographic Information System (GIS) planning data. It allows all users to interact with various data layers, enhancing their visual analysis capabilities. Users can tailor their viewing experience by selecting different data layers, applying filters, and constructing custom queries to explore specific datasets. The accessibility of certain data layers depends on user permissions, ensuring sensitive information remains protected. This module is fundamental for users needing to integrate and visualize spatial data within their planning processes. Secondly, the Edit module. Exclusive to users with specific administrative privileges, the Edit module enables the modification of dynamic planning data within P4P. This module is particularly useful for users who manage data inputs and need to update or correct existing datasets. It supports functionalities such as adding new data points, editing existing information, and deleting obsolete entries. The module also includes features for viewing static data to aid in contextual understanding, though such data cannot be edited to maintain integrity. Thirdly, the Contracts module. Designed for planning managers and project teams, this module is a secure environment for managing contract-related documents and financial details such as invoices. It facilitates the organization, tracking, and retrieval of contract documents, enhancing efficiency and accountability in project management. Features include permission-based access controls, document versioning, and integration with financial management systems to streamline contract administration. Fourthly, the Studies module, essential for initiating, planning, and managing transportation studies and improvements. This module supports a range of planning activities from strategic transportation safety plans, STARS, to standalone project assessments. Users can generate, edit, and manage study data, and integrate findings directly into the Smart Portal for pre-scoping purposes, promoting a seamless transition from study to implementation. Fifthly, the Analyze module. A core component of P4P, this module provides comprehensive tools for detailed analysis of planning and performance metrics. Users can access various analytical tools such as inventory analysis, traffic data and forecast analysis, performance measurement, and equity analysis tools. This module is pivotal for users requiring in-depth analysis of transport data to guide decision-making processes based on current performance indicators and projected needs. Sixthly, the Tutorials module, a resource hub for new and existing users to familiarize themselves with the P4P platform. It includes a wide range of learning materials, such as step-by-step tutorial videos, recorded presentations, downloadable PowerPoint files, and detailed guidebooks. This module is dedicated to enhancing user ability and confidence in utilizing all features of the P4P system efficiently. Seventhly, the Other Apps module. This module extends the functionality of P4P by linking users to additional planning resources, applications, and related websites. It serves as a gateway to external tools that complement the P4P ecosystem, offering users expanded capabilities and access to broader planning contexts and methodologies. Each module is designed with specific user roles and permissions in mind to ensure secure and efficient operation. Detailed guides for each module are available and can be accessed for further information on functionalities and user instructions. Thanks for watching.